Hey guys, Carl Anderson here with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new 2021 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Starting off with an aerial view of the boat, this is powered with a 115 4-stroke from Mercury. We have the Teak Package, which includes the teak on the swim platform, rear quarter seats with removable backrests, both port and starboard. Big open cockpit, great for fishing, but a lot of space for multiple passengers as well. We have an adjustable leaning post with a backrest that moves both fore and aft, and a live well is beneath the helm seat. So with the leaning post in this position, your driver can lean while your observer is facing aft, and you can easily convert it to face forward. I've got a 9-inch Raymarine installed, a Fusion Bluetooth stereo, all my engine data and gauges, rocker switches, cup holders, charging ports for your devices, and a compass. This boat has the fishing package, so we've got tackle storage here on the starboard side of the console. We also have canvas to cover the console and the leaning post. You can see the teak boarding steps midship. Bimini top is mounted. We have the standard high rails on the aft end and the low rails, or the low grab rails, on the bow, in addition to the trolling motor panel that's already wired. We have a really large seating area up in the bow with 2 cushions. These easily remove if you want to have this space more fishing focused. So I can convert this area. I've got a fish box and an anchor locker, in addition to all of this casting space. These also make for great coolers, in addition to the cooler seat that's just forward of the console. That also includes some rod holders and a nice comfortable backrest. See a lot of space up here in the bow. If you're doing any fishing or throwing a casting net, notice the hardware that Whaler uses. This boat is done in the full hull light blue gel coat with a white rub rail and a stainless steel insert as an option that really dresses the boat up nicely. We've got chrome graphics with the silver model designator. And did the blue canvas. The boat does come with a trailer, and this trailer has a swing tongue. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Check us out online at MarineMax.com, and always check out our store's Facebook page. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island, exit 23A off 526. Thanks for watching.